In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to search games on Roblox and Xbox One in 2022. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is the latest version of the Roblox app on your Xbox One. So go to the Microsoft Store and update the Roblox game if needed to play it on your Xbox One. After you ensure that Roblox is properly updated and that you are signed in to your Roblox account, open up the game. At the top of the page, you should see the Discover tab where you can start playing games in Roblox on Xbox One. All you have to do is go into the Discover tab and now press X on your controller to access the search function. As you can see, there's going to be an X prompt at the bottom right corner of the screen. After you press it, you will be able to search for any games on the Discover tab. I hope I was able to help you on how to search games on Roblox and Xbox One in 2022. If this video was able to help you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.